Hey guys, welcome to Leon YouTube. We're back with another Lego showcase. This is my second Lego showcase, and today we're doing the Minecraft Lego set showcase. And these are the characters for it. So we have the grown-up polar bear. I'll give you a 360 spin around it. And you can see that the legs move. But it's kind of weird looking into the circuits. So we have Alex from Minecraft. She's a diamond sword. Square head. I love these square heads. We have Stray, which is my favorite character in all this, just because of that, like, torso cape thing. And he's a bow. And then the baby polar bear. Okay. So, time to just move these all aside. Okay. Time to just move these all aside. And now we look at the big thing. The one and only Lego set. This is the Lego set for it. That is the Lego set. Let me scooch the camera back, and you can see a full 360 around it. This is the full 360 around the entire set. Here's a dispenser. That was a fail. Okay. That's cool. Okay, so let me just pop, and this is an arrow. Just snap that back in. And also we have a ladder right here, 2 torches. I love this, like, what do you call it? Oh yeah, banner. I love that banner. You just place it right there. A fish banner. And then you have, like, a lake right here. Ice. And now you're wondering, well, Liam, we see a hole in the igloo. How do you get inside? Do you just stick your hand in there? No. There is actually something on the top. So this is what's on the top. This is in this side. So it's like nice little cozy place. A chest in here. Open. And close. If I can actually close it. Okay. And then you also have a crafting table. A furnace. Let me just scooch this right here. So, oh god. The furnace. I don't know if you can see that well. Let me take it out. So you have a furnace, a regular furnace, and a smoking furnace. I prefer the smoking furnace. So yeah. And then you also have a bed, a chest, which I already mentioned. Oh, and the coolest thing about this, you could actually take out the chest. And you're wondering why there's 2 green things right here. You could just place it right on there. You could put it outside, inside. And that chest is meant for like a fishing rod and stuff. So let me just get that stuff. Okay. So it's supposed to be like, so the fishing rod is like a Catwoman whip with a fish at the end. So yeah. I can see why they did that. Let me just place this back on there. So, and also Alex right here, she has a diamond helmet. So you can just do this. Put the diamond sword in here. Put their fishing rod in here. Put their fish in here. Give Alex this. Oh god, wrong way. Okay. So give Alex this fishing rod, and then put the stray right here. Okay. So yeah. you can put the stray right here and just stand right here and be all annoying and stuff. They're so overpowered. And you can put the polar bear right there. Let me give you like an outside view. Okay, so yeah, so then you can put the baby polar bear right here, and there you have your thing. You can just shoot this at the stray. Okay, that was a fail. 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 This will be 100 times. Fail. Okay, let's just pretend that killed the stray. Or knocked it down. So you kill the stray, and boom, problem solved. Okay, and they also have trees and stuff, so yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this like little preview of this little like Minecraft like a set. I really like it, to be honest. I think it's one of the coolest Lego sets I ever had. Because I really like the igloo and like how you can like open the top and it doesn't have to connect to anything like that like annoying like set that I used to have. I think it was like a Jabba the Hutt where you had to connect the whole entire set. It sucked. But this one, there's no connecting to it. You just take it off, drop it on. Okay, that's a fail. You just see? Take it off. You don't hear any Lego noise, like connecting. There's actually like nothing to connect it to. And you can even see, I can bring it up. I can just push it right up, drop it, push, drop. Oh god. The only bad thing about this set is that it can like fall on the roof, which I really don't like. But I do like the effect that it just attaches on. I just don't like it's hard to like put on it. So yeah, this is the preview of the little like Lego set. So yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. So yeah, just remember, smash that subscribe button, like that notifications, and put a like to this video right now. So yeah, and if you haven't watched any of my videos, please do, and I'll see you all next time. So bye guys.